Welcome back to Quiz Mode. Are you ready to put your observation skills to the ultimate test? Today, we have some brain-teasing puzzles that will really make you think. Can you spot the imposter? Let's dive right in. Which one is not a vampire? Look carefully at A, B, C, and D. A has glowing red eyes, sharp fangs, and pale skin. Behind him, there is a mirror. B is floating above the floor and looks mysterious. C has pale skin, dark clothes, and a frightening appearance. D has bat wings, sharp fangs, and is floating in the air. Take your time. Have you made your choice? The answer is A, because vampires do not have reflections in mirrors, but it clearly has a reflection. A is not a vampire. Which one is not a real explorer? Look carefully at all four people. Three of them are real explorers. One of them is pretending. Let's examine them one by one. First, look at A. A is wearing a safari hat, carrying a backpack, and holding a bright torch. Everything about it looks like a real explorer. Now look at B. B is holding an ancient map and a compass. These are classic tools used by explorers. Next is C. C has a camera around the neck and strong explorer boots. C also looks completely prepared for the adventure. Finally, look at D. D is dressed like an explorer too. But don't answer too quickly. Look closely at every detail. Take your time. Can you find a hidden clue? Pause the video if you need more time. Have you made your choice? The answer is D, because D has a modern smartphone in the pocket. A real explorer inside an ancient expedition wouldn't be carrying modern technology like that. So D is the one who is not a real explorer. Which one is not a real mountain climber? Take a careful look at all four climbers. Three of them are experienced mountain climbers. One is only pretending. Let's examine them one by one. First, look at A. A is wearing a safety helmet, thick gloves, strong climbing boots, and carrying an ice axe. Everything looks perfect for climbing a snowy mountain. Now look at B. B has a climbing harness, a strong rope, and warm winter clothing. B seems fully prepared for a dangerous climb. Next is C. C is carrying an oxygen tank and wearing snow goggles. That's exactly what many climbers use at high altitudes. Finally, look at D. D is dressed like a mountain climber. But don't decide too quickly. Look carefully from head to toe. Take your time. Can you spot the hidden clue? Pause the video if you need a few more seconds. Have you made your choice? The answer is D. Why? Because D is wearing casual sneakers instead of proper mountain climbing boots. No real mountain climber would attempt a snowy climb wearing ordinary sneakers. So D is not a real mountain climber. Did you guess correctly? Which one is not a real king? Look carefully at the four rulers standing inside this magnificent castle. Three of them are true kings. One of them is only pretending. Let's inspect them one by one. First, look at A. A is wearing a shining golden crown. He has a royal cape and is holding a golden scepter. Everything about him looks truly royal. Now look at B. B is dressed in magnificent royal armor. He carries a ceremonial sword and proudly wears a jeweled crown. He certainly looks like a powerful king. Next, look at C. C is wearing a beautiful purple royal robe. He is holding an ancient royal scroll and looks wise and experienced. Now it's time to examine D. D is also wearing a crown and expensive royal clothes. At first glance, nothing seems unusual. But don't rush your answer. Look carefully at every small detail. Take your time. Can you spot the hidden clue? Pause the video if you need a few more seconds. Have you made your choice? The answer is D. Here's why. Kings from the medieval era did not have modern smartwatches. But D is wearing one on his wrist. That tiny detail reveals that D is only pretending to be a real king. Did you find the answer before the reveal? Which one is not a real ninja? Take a close look at all 4 warriors. 3 of them are real ninjas. 1 is only pretending. Let's examine them one by one. First, look at A. A is dressed in a traditional black ninja outfit. He carries a sharp katana and is ready for a secret mission. Everything about A looks authentic. Now look at B. B is also dressed like a ninja. At first glance, nothing seems unusual. But don't move on too quickly. There is one small detail that doesn't belong. Next is C. C is carrying several sharp throwing stars and is dressed for stealth. Everything about C looks like a real ninja. Finally, look at D. D wears a face mask, carries a bow, and blends perfectly into the darkness. Now take one more look at A, B, C, and D. Take your time. Can you spot the hidden clue? Pause the video and leave your answer in the comments. The answer is B. Why? Because B is wearing bright red running shoes. Real ninjas wore quiet, practical footwear that helped them move silently. Bright running shoes would make a ninja easy to notice. So B is the one who is not a real ninja. Did you guess B correctly? How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge, please hit the like button. And for more fun puzzles and brain teasers every day, make sure to subscribe to Quiz Mode and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.